Hi, my name is George Petrumpus, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download, install, and configure Microsoft Enhanced Mitigation Toolkit, otherwise known as Microsoft EMET. Microsoft EMET is a hardening tool for Windows operating systems, and the main function of EMET is to provide an extra layer of defense against malware attacks. I will be doing this install on Windows 10, but the current Microsoft EMET can be installed on almost all Windows operating systems. The version of EMET we'll be using is version 5.51, which is the most recent version. So, for this tutorial, I provided a download link in the description. So if you just click that link, it will automatically take you to the download page and will automatically start your download. So here's the site right here, and the download will be at the bottom. So once that's done, it should take a few seconds. You just click that, and the installation screen should pop up. Here it is, Setup Wizard. So if you want, you can read the warning, and we'll hit next. Here's the installation folder. You want to select an installation folder. This is the default path, but if you want to change it, you can hit Browse. But we're going to keep it as default, so we're going to hit Next. Here's the license agreement, so take a moment to read, and once you've read, just hit I agree, and hit Next. And then confirm installation, we want to do that, so we'll hit Next. So here comes the installation. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, so we'll hit yes. And it should take a couple minutes, or in this case it'll take 10 seconds. So okay, here is the EMET configuration wizard, and basically it allows you to choose recommended settings, or you can configure your settings later. So we actually want to use recommended, and basically what that does, it resets existing application configuration settings, but we're using this is the first time, so we want to do that. And it's going to add protections for Internet Explorer, WordPad, Microsoft Office, Adobe Acrobat, and Reader, and Oracle Java. So all that is good. I don't use Chrome. I don't use Internet Explorer, I use Chrome, so we can change that. And add certificate trustfuls for Microsoft and other popular online services, so Twitter, Facebook, Yahoo. So that's all good, and it enables reporting. So yeah, first-time user should definitely use the recommended settings. So we will hit that, we will hit next, and the installation will complete, and we will hit close. So once you hit close, the application will not start right away, and will not create a shortcut on the desktop. So you want to go to the Start menu, and if you're using Windows 10, it usually shows up in the recently added. It did not here, so we will actually just type it in. So we will type EMET, EMET. Go ahead and EMET. Okay. So EMET GUI. We'll click that. Yes, you want to allow this to use your computer. So yes, and here it is. So basically in this video, I just want to do a quick tutorial on how to add an application, and in this I'm going to add Chrome because I don't use Internet Explorer, so let's add Chrome to protect it. So and we will also add a website as protected websites, and I will show you how to do that. So this is all the default settings. We hit recommended settings, so all your normal applications are being protected, so that is good. If you want to change, you can always change, which I'll show you how to add applications and websites. And then if you like those settings, you can actually export them, which we can export, and it saves your settings. So and if you found settings you like on, say, the internet, and you want to use those, you can hit import, and you can import an XML file. And here are a couple popular software, recommended software, but we did recommend it, so we are good. So we will keep it like so. And we can let's add some apps. So we'll hit under configuration, we will hit apps, and I'll bring up the application configuration window. And here is all the applications it added on its own. When we hit recommended, it added Excel, PowerPoint, Word, Outlook. It added Internet Explorer, which I don't use, so it's pointless, but we can keep that there. And so let's just use So let's add application. So up at the top, click Add Application. And Chrome is not located. There's a shortcut on Chrome, but we're going to go to the Chrome exe in the C drive in my program file. So let's go to this PC. So we'll go to this PC, go to the C drive, and so you can choose any application you want. So if you want to add some on your desktop, you go to your desktop. So wherever the application you want to add, you go to that. Go through the Explorer, File Explorer, and find it. So I'm going to go through Program Files, and under Google, I'll click Google, Chrome, Application, and Chrome.exe. So I'm going to add this as protected in the EMET. So we'll do that, and here it is. Down here, everything's checked, and we're all good. Once you have added your applications, I can add one more. I'll add one more. I'll go to Desktop. I'll add GitHub. Let's add GitHub. We'll click that and add a GitHub. So here I'd added 2 apps, and all good. Press OK, and Chrome and GitHub are added to the Microsoft EMET. So next we will add websites. So let's go to Trust. Here you can add some websites. Right now you have Twitter, Facebook, Skype, Yahoo. All the logins are on there, and so everything I pretty much use is on here. We'll just add. If you want to click, you can double click down here. You can hit Add Website and then double click at the bottom. And once you double click, you just type in. I'm gonna type in Google. So, but you can type whatever website you want to. And once you do that, you can also add a pin roll. Basically, what pin rolls do is allows you to set up certificate checking. So these already have their own pin rolls. So we will not mess with that. We don't have a pin roll for Google. So we'll just leave it as is, and we will hit OK. And so Google.com is added, and we added GitHub and Chrome to our applications. So that is a basic tutorial on how to install and configure Microsoft EMET. So thank you for watching.